Kusakalkanelwa ukusinda empini yokulwa ne-COVID-19 eselineenyanga ezili-15 isahlele. Kileli hlandla isahlele ekhulu eGauteng. Isifundesi sigadangisa abantu abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezili-9 abatheleleke ngengogwana le izolo, okwenza bona babe yi-59% abantu abasanda ukutheleleka. Kodwana uhulumende uthi ulindele eminye godi imithamo yamathosana omjovo.
Pfizer has delivered nearly 4.5 million doses as promised in Q2. They have also committed just over 15.5 million doses in Q3, of which we are expecting nearly 2.1 million doses in July.
Ukuba ingubani uthi ukujova kuphungula ukuthelelana kwabantu nge-COVID-19 begoda akakho umuntu ekubika ukuthi ubulewe umjovo bekube nje lapha ekhethu. Uyelelisa abantu ukuthi bangabi budlabha. Ikoro yezefundo nayo itshejwa khulu njengoba isibalo sabantu abathelelekako sikhuphuka kangaka nje.
I must congratulate the provinces together with the Department of Basic Education, together with Minister Motshekga, for vaccinating nearly around 50,000 a day. For the past 2 days, at this rate, we will be able to finish the sector by within 10 days.
Kodwana kusese nomraro ngomjovo we-Johnson & Johnson.
As of this week, both the Pfizer pipeline is very stable until the end of July, and we know exactly what vaccines to expect for the next 5 to 6 weeks.
Ukuba ingubane ubawe nesitjhaba sonke bona silandele imithetho ye-COVID-19 ngaso sonke isikhathi begodu namamaski ambathwe ngefanelo.